Can you trade futures on eTrade? Can I trade futures on eTrade? Trading futures on eTrade has become increasingly popular, offering investors the potential for significant returns, but also exposing them to substantial risks. Before delving into the specifics, it's essential to understand a few key facts about futures trading. First, futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell a specific asset at a predetermined price on a future date. This means that investors can speculate on price movements without owning the underlying asset. Second, futures trading is highly leveraged, meaning that investors can control a large position with a relatively small amount of capital. This can amplify both gains and losses. eTrade offers a comprehensive futures trading platform, allowing investors to access a wide range of futures contracts. The platform provides real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and order execution capabilities. Additionally, eTrade offers educational resources and research tools to help investors make informed decisions. One of the primary advantages of trading futures on eTrade is the ability to diversify a portfolio. Futures contracts can be used to hedge against market risk or to speculate on price movements in different asset classes, such as commodities, currencies, and stock indices. Furthermore, the leverage offered by futures trading can potentially amplify returns, allowing investors to generate substantial profits with a relatively small investment. However, it's important to note that the leverage inherent in futures trading also poses significant risks. A small price movement can result in substantial losses, and investors may be required to deposit additional margin to maintain their positions. Moreover, futures trading can be highly volatile, and it's essential to have a solid understanding of market dynamics and risk management strategies. Another factor to consider when trading futures on eTrade is the transaction costs involved. Futures contracts typically have lower commission fees compared to other asset classes, but investors may incur additional costs such as exchange fees and clearing fees. It's crucial to carefully evaluate these costs and factor them into your trading decisions. In conclusion, trading futures on eTrade can offer both opportunities and risks. While the potential for significant returns is attractive, investors must be aware of the inherent leverage and volatility associated with futures trading. By understanding the fundamentals of futures contracts, leveraging the tools and resources provided by eTrade, and implementing effective risk management strategies, investors can make informed decisions and potentially benefit from futures trading.